Today we are at
It's just,
Texan 26.
questions?
This is an assisted living property. I am part of Amber student today,
Okay.
shooting a property tour for you
Oh, this is
guys
probably recording,
at
isn't it?
Texan 26.
The time it takes to get from your application to the signed lease really depends on the individual. We can get someone through everything in about 45 minutes to an hour. Since everything can be done online, really you just need to submit your application. It takes about 15-20 minutes. Then you give us a call or send us an email, let us know that your lease is ready to be sent. We'll send that to you, and then signing the lease probably takes about 20 minutes if you're reading everything. As far as payment goes, the application fee is $50. Right now we're waiving that fee. There is an admin fee that's $150. That's due on move-in day, and we're also waiving that fee right now. We are also offering some specials. Right now our 2 bedrooms are at reduced rates, so they're starting at $1,200. We are doing a referral special, so if you do know anyone that lives at Texan 26, just add them to your application and we'll give you $150 and that person $150. We are also doing a unit special for our 5 bedrooms, so that brings the rent down to $899 a month, and then you'll also get a $600 gift card after you move in. That's for our 5 bedrooms. And then lastly, for our other floor plans, all of our other floor plans, we're doing a pick your perk special. So you'll either get 1 month of free rent, which you can use to divide that between the rest of your months of rent, which will bring the rent down, or you can get a $600 gift card or a $600 concession. And those are all our specials.
I don't know what else a student needs. There's a lot of offers then.
Yeah, we'll take care of you.
Yeah. So
Hello,
hi,
hi, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
So we're going to have a tour today.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Let's go on a tour.
So we start from
Yeah, so we can go ahead and start this way. This is going to be our leasing office. We do have like a lot of like snacks in the office for our residents, which our residents really like to come in and visit and grab their breakfast and snacks and coffee. But this way is going to be towards our garage. We do have 3 levels of parking, and our garage is for residents only. And so it's really easy to find parking in our parking garage. And then this is going to be the front door, or one of the entrances. All of our entrances are fob activated, so in order to enter the building, you do need a fob. So it's a really safe community.
safety first.
Yes, very. We have 24-hour surveillance as well. So as you can see, we do have security cameras here, and then we do have after-hours security, on-site security. This is going to be, we can go this way. This is going to be our gear garage. All of our residents can use this area for free. It's just a little place to park their bikes and scooters. And then right here we also have a little repair area. So if you have a flat tire, you can pump it up here or
That's
repair
amazing.
it with
It's
the tools.
convenient.
Yeah, it's very convenient.
Yes.
And then right through here, we're gonna head to our mail hallway. So all of our residents get a mail key for their designated spot.
Yes.
And then we also have parcel lockers for large packages delivered through USPS. And then through this way,
So the USPS normally comes through the Flex app.
yeah, so we have USPS that delivers through here, but we also use a system called Fetch. So that's going to be a company that essentially how it works, you'll download the app, and then the app will give you almost like a PO box address. So whenever you order stuff, you can use that address, and then your packages will be delivered to their warehouse, where then once it gets delivered there, they'll send you a notification through your phone saying, hey, it's been delivered. When would you like the package to be delivered to your front door? You select the time that works best for you, and then since they have direct access to the building, their employees will come and deliver the packages straight to your front door, which is super convenient.
100%.
Yeah, so we do work with Fetch, and then this is gonna be our stairs, and then this is our elevator. We are a 6th floor apartment, so the elevator is very reliable. That's one of like my favorite things about the property, is like you don't have to wait for the elevator that much, because it's so fast. So you got here so quick.
Yeah.
And
it's
then,
not too big either. So
yeah, not too big. 6th floor is very easy to go get to each floor, you know. And then it goes all the way to the 6th floor, all the way to the bottom parking garage.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So when it comes to parking garages, so we do get a lot of out-of-state students as well. Like those are the two categories of students that we normally focus on. One is students, international students, of course,
Yeah, of
and
course.
then we have out-of-state students who are not in Texas right now, or they might be part of Dallas or Houston
Yeah,
or
of
something
course.
like that. So do they use a lot of garages, like in the sense like are those the people or the crowd that uses that?
Yeah, I would say yes. There's a lot of different types of people that like to use the parking garage. But if students or if our residents do not prefer to use the parking garage or like to walk to class or bike to class, that's also they can do that as well. Especially since we have our gear garage.
Yes.
But we also are a 2-minute walk from the bus stop. So UT students ride for free on the bus, and it goes all around campus, which is super convenient, especially when you're trying to get to the other side of campus. But this is going to be our second floor courtyard. Like Patrick said in the office, we are looking to get more furniture. So by the next leasing season, we should have a totally revamped common area out here. But as of right now, we do have a working fireplace right there and tons of seating. We just installed free Wi-Fi in the courtyard. So our residents are free to come out here and use the Wi-Fi however they would like. And then, yeah, we host a lot of events out here, which is really nice on days like this when you have like nice weather. Our most recent one was a root beer float event. And so we had different types of sodas and ice creams where residents could come and go as they'd please and then like make their own root beer floats.
Nice.
Yeah. And so this is gonna be our model unit. So this is going to be a 2x2. We have different unit sizes varying from 2 bedrooms all the way to 7 bedrooms. This is gonna be our 2x2. And in our 2x2, it gives you kind of a good idea of like how big the bedrooms are, as well as how like spacious and how the bathroom setup would be. So in this room to the left, it's gonna be kind of an attached bathroom style, which is what you can expect to find in our premium bedrooms. And then the one on the right is going to be a standard bedroom. So this would be kind of a similar setup as a standard bedroom with a shared bathroom. However, our shared bathrooms, most of our units that do have shared bathrooms have like a double sink feature. So it's very convenient since you'd be sharing a space with another person.
Amazing. I'm gonna take the entire video.
Yeah. And then our 2x2s do have standing showers. And then all our other units, I believe, have tubs, like bathroom, like tubs.
Bathtubs.
Yeah, bathtubs. And then we
This
do
is
have
pretty spacious.
Yeah, it's very spacious. There's
And you
tons
have
of
a study
windows.
area as well.
Yeah. So this would be a part of our furnishing package. We offer
Fully furnished.
yeah, we offer different furnishing packages. If residents would like to bring their own furniture, that would be free of cost, no charge for that. But then we also offer furniture. Say you don't want to like deal with like moving your own furniture. We provide furniture for a monthly cost. So bedroom furniture would be $50 a month, and then our common space furniture is going to be $25 a month. Or if you'd like both, you can do that both for $75 a month.
Okay.
The furniture package consists of pretty much everything you see here: the desk, the chair, the bed, and the bed frame, as well as the under the bed storage drawers, and then the side tables. One cool thing about these storage things is like you can stack them on top of one another to, you know, have like another like little shelf. Yeah, another side table or shelving area. And then the furniture package in the common area consists of the sectional with the ottoman. I really like the like new leather that we have for these, and then depending on what kind of unit our residents signed for, if there's an island, it comes with island chairs or island stools to accommodate for the island. And then I believe in our other package, we do have matching, like the matching leather color for the stools.
Same color as the sofa.
And then the coffee table and TV stand would also be included. If the unit does not have an island, then we also provide a table and chairs, or tables and chairs, dining table.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And a small little balcony as well.
Yes. So we do have 2 different types of balconies. So our 2x2s and I believe also our 3x2s have this kind of Juliet style balcony which is really nice whenever you just want to let some fresh air into the room or just have a little the window or the sliding door open during the morning. But then we also have larger balconies, so that's kind of what you'd expect to find on our 5x3s and 6x3 and 4x3s. Those are really nice because they have a really large walkout balcony.
Understood.
Yeah.
Sounds good. So the second room is this way, right?
Yes, so this would be the second room. To your left would be our in-unit washer and dryer as well.
Very important to show this.
Which it's running at the moment. But yeah, so we have in-unit washer and dryers. And so for our 2x2s, 3x2s, 4x2s, and 5x3s, all of those come with one washer and one dryer. Our bedrooms that have like 6 bedrooms or 7 bedrooms have 2 washers and 2 dryers to accommodate for the number of people living there. So it's really convenient. And then the larger the units get, or the more bedrooms there are, the more space that kind of is included in the washer and dryer.
So would you
rooms.
say this is like a standard size of the bedrooms for the entire?
6x4, so my bedroom is this size. And
so are you also a CA at the same time?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, that's an amazing experience.
Yeah.
From what I've heard, I know Alina Jackson or like from Peakmate, who was a CA to start with, now the VP of marketing there.
That's awesome.
So it's a very, like, even for students who are international or who are domestic, it's kind of something that they look for as a career path as well when you're living
and
in
we
this
always have, I know, like for me, I'm graduating this year, so once I graduate, there'll definitely be a spot open
exactly
as well.
So this is the second bedroom. It has larger windows.
Lots of windows, very spacious.
Very,
the bedroom or the bed frame is going to be a full XL. In my room, I have a full, and it makes the room a lot bigger. So that's something I always like to tell people whenever I tour. It's like, if you want to bring your own furniture, I'd highly recommend a full size because it makes the room even bigger. It makes it feel even bigger.
And then you have more storage space here. And then you have
And then we do have larger closet spaces available too. So you'll kind of find that in our premium bedrooms. So for instance, in our 3x2s, the premium bedroom in that unit has like a walk-in closet, and it's really, really nice. So I really like the premium bedrooms just because you have your personal bathroom and your personal closet. I also really like the setup of the standards because it still gives you that privacy. And you do have to share a bathroom, but like I said, the bathrooms I feel like are very well designed to accommodate 2 people
at the same time.
Yeah.
So multiple counters.
Yeah, so there's going to be like 2 sinks in each one of our shared or standard bathrooms.
Understood. Nice. And this is?
This is going to be our maintenance closet, kind of like where the water heater goes.
So since it's a model.
Yeah. But we do have an on-site maintenance team. So anytime our residents need a maintenance request or they just need something fixed, they could put in a maintenance request through the resident portal, and our maintenance team has a really good turnaround time of like a day, or like a couple of hours, where you'll submit that maintenance request and they'll get to it pretty instantaneously.
Amazing. Just get the kitchen and then we are good.
Yeah, and then all of the finishes and countertops are going to be what you'd find in all our other units.
Of the other units.
All of them are fairly new, so like the white over the head like drawers or cabinets, and then the granite countertops, and then these drawers are all going to be the same, and then we have stainless steel appliances in all of our units as well. All of these would be included in the kitchen as well. So the microwave, the stove, oven, dishwasher, and sink. And then the fridge in our larger units, we do have a double door fridge, which is very convenient, especially space-wise for those larger units. Yeah. Especially for the freezer, because I think if you have like fridges and freezers in this style and like those 6x4s or like 7x4s, they're very hard to organize. And so it's really nice to be able to have the ones that are like split vertically, where you can divide it by levels.
Yeah, that makes sense. These rooms are much larger than the ones that I saw before.
Yeah, I feel like a lot of the apartments in West Campus are very small, and I feel like they're very for me, very claustrophobic because they're so tiny, and you can like spread your arms across, and you'll touch like both walls. So they're very tiny, but that's one of the main things I appreciate about this apartment is that you know, you get a really large bedroom for a really great price. Yeah.
And pretty close to the university as well.
Yeah, really close to the university. My walk is about like 10 minutes from here. I go to school at the Moody College, so it's just down the street. But like I said earlier, like anytime I need to go to the other side of campus, to the tower, to the PCL, I always take the bus. It's super close, and it runs pretty regularly throughout the week. And this is gonna be back to the ground level. And then I'll go ahead and take you to our main entrance.
Yes.
So the first entrance we went through is kind of like our second entrance. It's like we only have 2 main entrances that our residents can like enter through, which is very good for like security purposes.
100%, yeah.
And so this is going to be our main entrance. We do have a butterfly system installed, so this is really convenient. I really like this because you can download the app, and through the app you can unlock the door from your apartment or from your bed. So say you have friends that come over, they can either let you know like, hey, I'm here, and you swipe them in, this will unlock, and then or they can look you up on the directory, click your name, and it'll send you a notification. It'll even like put a notification on your phone as if it's calling you, and you can see who's like here and let them into the apartment to come see you. So that's really nice. And then there's also a really cool feature for delivery as well. So if you want to order something through Amazon, there's usually like a little delivery or like delivery instructions, and you can use a one-time delivery code through that, and the resident will be able to get their packages delivered through that way as well. So we have various options for methods for our residents to get packages delivered.
To make their lives easier, I would say.
Definitely, it definitely makes their lives easier. There are some times when like delivery drivers still deliver them to the leasing office, but we do our best to get those packages to our residents as well.
Since you were a CA as well, how did you come about this property? Like when you discovered this?
So it was actually my coworker. Her name's Jaya, and we were friends. We met freshman year, and we kind of like lost touch over the years. But I think my sophomore, or like close to my sophomore year, end of sophomore year, I was still looking for a property to live at, or like a new place to sign, because I didn't want to live where I was living before. And I ran into her at a party, and she was like, hey, I'm actually living here and I'm working here, and I'm looking for more roommates. Do you want to live with me? And I was like, yeah. And so then once I started living here, I think a couple months into living at Texan 26, that's when a position opened up and I applied and got the job.
Amazing, amazing. So this is the neighborhood. This is Texan 26.
Yes.
This is the leasing office. I think you should be here. And why would you think an international student should book this property?
Yeah, I really think the community of the apartment is really great. It's I've said like a lot of things have been my favorite thing or my favorite feature, but I definitely think the community that Texan 26 has is really great. I think we do a really good job of hosting, not only hosting resident events, but making those residents feel at home and comfortable with the people they live around. That has been my favorite part. And so I really encourage any international student to come find their place here at Texan 26.
Thank you.
Yeah.